Hi loves, it's your girl Morgan Sinclaire and I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, hi love, welcome to our channel, welcome to my channel. That's all I want to say, and hit that subscribe button to join our family. And if you're old to my channel, what it do, what is up, what's good, it's your girl. You already know how I do, and I'm back again for another video. So today I only got 10 minutes. That's it. Only got 10 minutes. I gotta refresh my curls. I got somewhere to be. I ain't trying to go out looking like boo boo fool. I mean, it's refreshed right now, but I'm gonna take you through my refreshing routine. So how to refresh your curls coming at you. I am 3 weeks into this natural gang, like period. So I'm already finding new ways of how to do my natural hair, which is amazing because it's not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. But like I said, we true to this game. Like, we ain't going back. No perms, 24, nothing. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you have some suggestions, just comment below. If you want me to recreate this style over again, I definitely can do it for you. But you gotta come below and let me know. So let's just get into this video, because let's go. I mean, like, you're missing out on the information. We gotta go.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Alright guys, my hair looks a hot mess. This is what I do, put it in a bonnet. Still trying to find ways on how to get it to last, but this looks horrible. So this is what it usually looks like standing up on top of my head. I'm ashamed. And right now I'm just trying to like pick it out, kind of pull it down, but obviously it's not working. So now I'll be using a water bottle. Ice Curls by Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed line, and that's how much I'll be using on my hair. So I've already did one side of my hair, just showing you guys how the curls is popping right after. And now we're gonna tame the rest of this mane. That is a super no sir. Like, we see the difference. So now I'm just spraying my hair with the water bottle. What I have in my water bottle is oil. I mixed water and oil, which is really good at helping detangle my hair, especially when I finger detangle. I usually finger detangle when I'm refreshing. And now I'm just going to split my hair into sections and pin it back with an alligator clip. So now I have this first section. It's big enough for me to detangle. Right now I'm taking my water bottle, just spraying it. And then I'm taking some of that Ice Curls from Aunt Jackie's, and I'm just finger detangling it and while putting on this styling gel. So this is a styling gel. Know that your hair will get kind of hard, but as I go, I'm adding more gel as needed. And with the finger detangle, I just kind of pull on my hair until I get the curl that I need. I make sure I get, my edges and stuff, because everything is looking not good. Okay, so these are how my curls are after they have been replenished by the Grapeseed. And now I am sectioning off more hair. This time, this is a bigger section. So I'm gonna actually finger detangle a little bit more detailed. First, I'm just spraying it and then running my fingers through it and trying to get the knots out. I already have gel on my hair, so finger detangling and not combing it is better. Now I'm gonna take different sections, apply that styling gel to the end of my hair, and then work it from tip to root. Also, quick tip, you don't want to clamp the hair you've already done, because it leaves a bend. Your hair is initially kind of damp, so it leaves a bend. I've learned that clamping is just not good. So you see me there adding just some gel to the ends and then working my way up the hair, and then finger detangling as I go. You can definitely tell the difference on what it looks like and what it used to look like. Now I'm just adding the gel where I see fit. My hair is kind of completely done. I'm just like trying to figure out spaces and holes where gel may have not touched it as good enough is when I section it out. You can do this as needed. It's not necessarily needed, but I know I like volume and definition, so that's me. Now I'm just going to spray my edges with that same water bottle, and I'm going to take my E-bend edge control and do my edges. Guys, doing your edges, if you don't lay them things down, it makes all the difference in the world. I'm going to take my edge control brush and comb up my little part. And then I'll be taking my scarf. Preferably use a silk scarf for your edges and tie them down until it's time for me to kind of go. And I'm going to pull my hair out of the scarf because it's still damp and I don't want it to dry underneath because that's taken away from the volume. So I've done my makeup and I'm taking down my scarf, and voila, look at those edges and those curls. I'll be using my wild growth oil, and this is what I just do because I want my hair to grow a little bit more. So I'm putting that all over and then doing a scalp massage, and then I'm pulling my hair out from when I did the scalp massage and styling as needed. And there you go. That's the finished look. Yes, ma'am. Yes, body roll with it. The curls are popping. That is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. My curls are popping. I love you lots. Bye.